dead. Oh, crippled him, but got his head up. He's still soaring over there. Got it in live action.
I think I stood him up the first time. I don't know if someone got him on the second one.
Yeah, that might have been me. I only shot once, and it was the fourth shot.
So is it alive still, or is it
It was going. It went down, but its head was still up. Crippled it.
you think it's still over there? Or?
Probably is. Probably over there somewhere. No, it went down.
I know. It went down.
Yeah. It's probably crippled.
Well, nothing like shooting.
Hell yeah. That was only a 4 shot I shot. I should have shot a BB. That would have took him down.